Contamination control in aseptic manufacturing is a crucial safeguard for the drug safety. On every single risk point in productions, AUSTAR Contamination Control 100% CCS compliance team is willing to collaborate with you to explore effective solutions. PDA TR 90 emphasizes that all contact parts to aseptic products must be remained being protected during installations till the ends. Excellent particle interception performance effectively reduces contamination risks. As a proactive promoter and practitioner of contamination control CCS compliance, AUSTAR is willing to closely collaborate with everyone to build the CCS ecosystem together. Implement CCS compliance to safeguard drug safety.